Hello children, now second class mathematics. Chapter 12th chapter. What is our 12th chapter? Division of one number by another number. In this chapter 2, page number 99. Open it children. Fourth bit. In previous class 2, these all bits will be completed 3 bits. Now fourth bit children. See here. Look at the table given below. Fill in the blank boxes with the correct numbers. Write the division form for each. So here giving number of notebooks distributed. So number of people who received the notebooks. So here number of books each people received. See here given number of peoples. So how many peoples are received the books? That people's number only here it. So here that number of books. So in each people received how many books? In each people received how many books? They are writing here only writing. So the division form 8 divided by 8 by 2 equals to 4. This is the division form here given. So children, I am explaining one example. I am showing. See children, here how many books having here children? 1, 2. See here how many books having? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many books? 4 books. So in 4 books, in 2 children's to I will distribute now. In 2 members to I will distribute. See here. In 1 child to 1 book. And another child to 1 book. Again this child to 1 book. This child to 1 book. So here 2 peoples to given I am. So here in this each one get how many books? 1, 2. These people get 2 books. These people get 2 books. So total how many books? 4 books. So children, I am giving example only. So I wrote here once. 4. So 4, 2 people to distribute. So division form 4 divide 2 equals to 2. Like this only this bit. This bit same like this will do. Okay? Are you understand children? Okay. Now see all of you. Here giving 12. So first of all this see. 8. Example is giving 8. 8 notebooks distributed. So 2 peoples to distributed. So in each people will get 4 books. The division form 8 divided by 2 equals to 4. So you learn tables children. You know all of you. So good children. All members learning tables. Okay, what tables? Multiplication tables I am saying. See here. In this table too. See. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. See. 2 4s are 8. This answer will come only. So here 8 divided by 2 equals to 4. So same like that only. Here 12. 12 in which table to came? 12. So in 3 table to came. See. We are having 12 here. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. So 3 4s. Suppose number of peoples. So 3 peoples to 4 in each people to 4 books will given means. So 12 the division form 12 divided by 3 equals to 4. This also again like this also will writing. In 4 peoples, to each one getting 3. So 12 divided by 4 equals to 3. This also correct. Okay. Next one 15. 15 in which table to came? In 3 table to came. 15 which table to came? 3 table to. See. So that's why I am saying children, you learn multiplication tables compulsory. See 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15. How many times? 3 5 times. So 3 members to 5 will given means, so completed 15 books. So here division form 15 divided by 3 equals to 5. Next 18. 18 in all 3 table 2 only. No, in 18 which table 2 will came? 6 table will take. In 6 table 2 came. See here. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 3s are 18. So I will take this 6 3s are 18. In 18 books, 6 people too will distribute. So in each people will get 3 books. So here division form 18 by 6 equals to 3. 18 by 6 equals to 3. Next one 42. 42 in which table 2 will came? 7 table. You know children 7 table? See here. In 6 table 2 also will came 7 table. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. See children, I am again and again multiplication tables reading, because you learn multiplication tables compulsory, you learn children. That's why I am saying again and again these tables only. Okay, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6 are 42, 7 6 are 42. 42 here only came. So 7 6 are. In 7 people to 6 books will giving means 42 books only distributed. Here 42 divided by 7 equals to 6. 42 by 7 equals to 6. Match the following divisions and their result. Are you understand children this bit first? See here. 8 notebooks distributed. So 2 members only received. In each people will get 4 books. So the division form is 8 divided by 2 equals to 4. Next 12. 12 notebooks distributed. So how many peoples to? 3 peoples to will distributed. Each people will get 4 books. 12 divided by 12 by 3 equals to 4. Here 15 books having, then 15 books distributed for 3 children. In each child get 5 books. So 15 by 3 equals to 5. This is the division form. This like only having. Next one. Match the following divisions and their result. See here. 21 divided by 7 equals to 3 is here given. See. In already we are learning that 7 table only. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. So 21 divided by 7 equals to 3. 36 divided by 6. So how much? In 6 table to came 36. Say all of you, how many times to came 6 table to? Say 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36. In 6 table to 36 will came. How many times to come? 6. 6 times. 6 times. How many times? 6 times. So the division is, answer is, division result is 36 divided by 6 equals to 6. Are you understand? Next, 45 divided 45 by 9. 45 by 9. So you know children 9 table. In the 9 table to 45 will came. You already learn or not? Learn children 9 table also. Say all of you. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 35. How many times 2 will came? 9 table to 5 times. How many times? 5 times. This is the division result. So which one? 5. 45 by 9 equals to 5. 45 by 9 equals to 5. Next one, 35 by 5. In 5 table to 35 will become or not? See here 35 in 5 table only this 35 having here. So learn children 5 table. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35. 5 7 times. How many times? 7 times. So the division answer is, result is 7. 35 divided by 5 equals to 7. Are you understand children? Okay children, now see in this chapter 2 we already learned this all. So division form. So how to distribute this mangoes? Big basket to how many mangoes having, and they are only writing that small boxes to will distribute it in small boxes to. Okay, will dividing. So in each basket to how many will came, that only will keeping and writing. So this all will be completed. So division means, division is repeated subtraction. Division is repeated subtraction. Say spelling, division spelling, say children. division. Division spelling division. Division is repeated, repeated, repeated subtraction, subtraction, subtraction. Division is repeated subtraction. Say all of you division spelling, division. Division is repeated subtraction. So all members write children. Are you completed? So in next class 2, next topic I will explain. Okay.